Thutha wake kuoya matamu motongoria ma kiama kiria kiramataga muthako wa ngundi guku bururi-ini, Hilary Alila ndegukorwo agitetera giturwa giake ithurano-ini ciukite cia kiama giki kumana na itumi ciake kiumbe. Kuringana na Alila nioigite ati gwa kahinda ka miaka 5 mihituku kamiti ino ni irutite wira kuigana na gukiri uguo akehoya aria mekuoya utongoria mathie na mbere na gukuria muthako wa ngundi guku bururi-ini.
We've had also problems, as in any other institution. But now that our term has come to an end, the people who are coming, I'm sure, know the mistakes that we've made. And as I've said earlier on, they know the gains we've also made. Of course, I cannot say we've done what we can in a very difficult atmosphere or surrounding. So let the office that will come up after us improve professional boxing, because really we are not where we're supposed to have been.
Noro na kuhana uguo, amwe a memba a kamiti ino ni mareganite na murutire wa wira wa kamiti ino na maumano wa kuga.
People come in with money, they want to pump money in boxing. But these people in the office, they want to steal money from the boxers. How do you think boxing will go on? So we need to bring other new people in the office. We need a big change. We don't need people who will come and steal from boxers. Because if you steal from boxers, boxing will die. Everybody will run away from boxing. Nobody will want to throw a punch where you can't make money.
Tutachagua wale watu ambao watakuwa honest na boxers, na kuchagua watu wale, na uchaguzi itakuwa na boxers wenyewe, kwa sababu watu wengine wanakuja kuvote na sio boxers, wanafanya boxers wanasafa.
Ukiri uguo tariki cia githurano gia kamiti ino ni ciirigirirwo kwanirirwo muthi wa Jumamothi riria ugakorwo na mucemanio wa mwaka wa amemba a kamiti ino aria mathakaga muthako wa ngundi. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Ndogo.